Let me teach you how to find flow mixes inside of Deezer. Welcome back everyone to a new video on How Genic. Inside of the platform of Deezer, you'll find a section called Flow Mixes where you can find different songs based on different flow tracks. So if you open up the home page of the Deezer app and if you scroll down, you'll see a section called Flow. It says play how you feel. And you can see different sections of the flow feature. If you tap on the flow option right here, it's going to play flow in a random way. Now in order to select your own, tap on switch flow on the bottom and you'll be able to choose between different moods or different genres. So just switch between them and then tap on any type of flow that you like to play. If you tap on it based upon the flow that you selected, songs will start to play in that manner. So either you can choose from different moods or from different genres inside of the flow mix in Deezer. So that's basically it on the way that you find flow mixes in Deezer. Give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.